If your convenience or grocery store is running a grab-and-go program, and you just know there must be a faster, smarter way to label, prep, and ensure your food is fresh and safe, it's time to discover BOHA. BOHA is your single platform that digitizes manual error-prone tasks like labeling, prepping, temping, and equipment monitoring. If you need grab-and-go labels in an instant, BOHA. If you want to make sure your team is always alerted to clean the counters or refresh the condiments, BOHA. Or if you want to guarantee temps get logged every time, you guessed it, BOHA. To see how BOHA makes successful grab-and-go programs possible, connect with us at bohatechnology.com. That's BOHA technology.com.
Couche-Tard has a deal with Big Red stores, Target reports mixed Q4 and full-year results, and McLane promotes 2 execs to the C-suite. Welcome to the Retail Daily, your quick look at the top headlines from CSP Daily News and Inside Grocery Business. I'm Russ Redmond, Executive Editor at WGB.
And I'm Ann Meyer, CSP's Editor for Technology and Fuels. Alimentation Couche-Tard is moving forward with a binding agreement to acquire 45 fuel and convenience store sites from Big Red stores in Arkansas. The transaction includes 44 company-owned and operated sites. It leases the real estate at one site. The retail network features large format stores with ample space for enhanced food service and product offerings, Couche-Tard said.
Well, just as Walmart did 1 week ago, Target on Tuesday expressed much uncertainty about the quarter and year to come. The Minneapolis-based retailer reported fourth quarter and full-year earnings with same-store sales edging up just 0.7% and reflecting a 3% decline in digital sales. Same-day operations, including store pickup, drive-up, and shipped, which is for delivery, currently make up more than 10% of total sales and grew 4.3% during the quarter.
Distributor McLane has promoted 2 senior leaders to new executive roles to help achieve and accelerate its strategic operational goals. Eric Hildenbrand was elevated to Chief Strategy Officer from Senior Vice President and General Counsel. Also promoted was Vito Maurici to Customer Experience Officer from Senior Vice President of Sales.
Back in the grocery arena, Albertsons Company's Randall's chain, the Kroger Company's Dillon's banner, and Texas grocer H-E-B earned the top marks for supermarkets in Newsweek's 2023 America's Best Loyalty Programs report. Supermarkets led all retail and service categories that were rated, with 25 grocery chains on Newsweek's list, up from 20 last year.
Continuing its growth via acquisitions, Yesway has acquired 5 Wranglers convenience stores in Clifton, Hamilton, and Hico, Texas. The retailer also has opened 5 new-to-industry Allsup's C-stores in Ruidoso, New Mexico, and Albolini, Springtown, Snyder, and Whitney, Texas. The Yesway portfolio now includes 435 C-stores across 9 states, and the company plans to open 28 new stores in 2023.
Retail food service veteran David Hoff is the new president and CEO of the International Dairy Deli Bakery Association. The more than 30-year industry veteran most recently served as vice president of food service and Starbucks operations at KVAT Food Stores, which operates the Food City supermarket banner. Hoff replaces Michael Erdley, who had led the group since 2014 and announced his retirement in November.
Tobacco company Altria is in advanced talks to acquire electronic cigarette company Enjoy Holdings for at least $2.75 billion, according to a report from the Wall Street Journal, citing people familiar with the matter.
Regional grocer Giant Eagle has diverted over 1 million pounds of food from landfills and saved customers almost $2.5 million on groceries via the Flash Food program. The free Flash Food app gives shoppers access to discounts on products nearing their best by date, in turn driving purchases of food that otherwise would go to waste. Giant Eagle had first launched the program in 2021.
In earnings news, Arco Corp in 2022 saw its store count grow by 21 units. Same-store sales increased by 4.3%, and the addition of new coffee equipment boosted sales by 7.2% on average. The parent company of retail GPM Investments reported operating income for the fourth quarter of $33.7 million, compared with $28.4 million in the prior year quarter. For the year, operating income was $167 million compared to $142.1 million in 2021.
Also on the earnings front, Wise Markets built on record sales in fiscal 21 with another strong fiscal year in 2022. The Mid-Atlantic grocer saw net sales rise 18% for the fourth quarter and 11.2% for the full year. Chairman and CEO Jonathan Wise said loyalty marketing, price investments, and new efficiencies were key contributors to its top and bottom line growth.
Warrington Oil Company, the owner and operator of Fast Lane convenience stores, has acquired Theoli Oil, a family-owned and operated chain of 10 C-stores based in Missouri. The deal expands Warrington Oil's market area into St. Charles, St. Peters, and O'Fallon, Missouri.
Same-day delivery giant Instacart has branched into the B2B realm with a new service that caters to the needs of businesses. Called Instacart Business, the offering aims to capture order from businesses eager to avoid delivery fees and the cost of sending their own employees to buy supplies. Instacart Business users have access to more than 1.5 million products from partners such as Costco Business Center, Staples, BJ's Wholesale Club, and others.
Sunoco's annual report shows that the petroleum fuels company enjoyed a revenue rebound in 2022, but isn't blind to the risks of growing competition. Challenges at the energy company, which distributes to 5,500 branded locations and has about 76 company-owned convenience stores, could confront in the future include new competition from other locations offering EV charging ports and new costs amid the transition to a low-carbon economy. Sunoco reported that motor fuel sales revenue rose 47% in 2022, while non-motor fuel sales increased 21%. Net income dropped about 10%.
Casey's, the fifth largest U.S. pizza chain, is rolling out a new pizza dubbed Pepperoni, Pepperoni, Pepperoni. The pizza is layered with 3 kinds of pepperoni on Casey's made-from-scratch dough. The new offering is available starting February 28th for Casey's Rewards members and on March 1st for all customers across Casey's 16-state footprint at a price of $16.99.
Georgia-based Parker's plans to build electric vehicle charging capability into its newest stores to meet growing demand for EV energy. The Georgia company currently has 4 new locations under construction and EV chargers at a handful of existing locations in South Carolina and Georgia. The company is still considering how best to price electric fuel, but believes the market should dictate this, not the government, said John Rudolphs, Parker's Chief Development Officer.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News or WinsightGroceryBusiness.com. I'm Russ Redman.
And I'm Ann Meyer. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.
If your convenience or grocery store is running a grab-and-go program, and you just know there must be a faster, smarter way to label, prep, and ensure your food is fresh and safe, it's time to discover BOHA. BOHA is your single platform that digitizes manual error-prone tasks like labeling, prepping, temping, and equipment monitoring. If you need grab-and-go labels in an instant, BOHA. If you want to make sure your team is always alerted to clean the counters or refresh the condiments, BOHA. Or if you want to guarantee temps get logged every time, you guessed it, BOHA. To see how BOHA makes successful grab-and-go programs possible, connect with us at bohatechnology.com. That's BOHA technology.com.